Fun facts about lucky bamboo. Lucky bamboo originated in Southeast Asia. It has been used for 5,000 years in the practice of Feng Shui. Lucky bamboo is said to bring health, love, and luck to whoever possesses it. The leaves of this plant can grow up to 1 inch per month. Lucky bamboo is not actually bamboo. It belongs to lily family. Medicinal uses. It is used in the treatment in some infections and also to accelerate the healing process from wounds. Caring for your lucky bamboo plant. Lucky bamboo is a great indoor plant that is very easy to grow. Not only does it do well in soil, but it does well in plain water, as well. If it is properly cared for, it can grow to a height of about 2 to 3 feet. How to grow lucky bamboo. In water, fill the bottom of a container with pebbles and add enough water to rise to a couple of inches above the pebbles. The roots of the plant should be submerged. Change the water every 1 to 2 weeks in order to prevent rotting. The water should always look clear and smell fresh. How to grow lucky bamboo. In soil, use well-aerated potting soil with good drainage. Water so that the soil is kept moist but not waterlogged. Air purifying. It absorbs more carbon dioxide than other plants, hence maintaining fresh air flow in the space it sits in. It helps in reducing greenhouse effects. How lucky bamboo gets its name. Named after a renowned German English gardener, Henry Frederick Conrad Sander, it goes by the scientific name Dracaena sanderiana. The other common and popular names for lucky bamboo are curly bamboo, Chinese water bamboo, friendship bamboo, goddess of mercy plant, Belgian evergreen, and ribbon plant.